Hey everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. So today I'm putting up the Christmas decorations in my bedroom. If you haven't seen my Christmas decorations haul, I will leave a link down below and a link in the card so you can check that out. But I'm very excited. I'm just going to go bring all of my boxes in from my dad's office and then we can get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on a Christmas film. I want to watch one that I've already seen because then I don't have to focus on it as much. I watched Nativity yesterday. I might watch Arthur Christmas. Oh, or The Holiday. Actually, I'm going to put on Nativity 2 because I watched Nativity yesterday. I started Nativity 2 yesterday, but I didn't get that far. I think I got about 20 minutes in. Oh, I got 10 minutes in. Okay, Christmas tree is going up. Okay, so here's the tree. I'm really happy with it. Sorry about the lighting because of the window. As I said, it's a slim tree in my video. I've done a bit of fluffing it out. It might need a little bit more doing, but I'm going to put the lights on and then see how it's going. Like I can see a little gap here, which is where they connect. So I've just tried to cover the gaps where they connect. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. It was quite simple to put together. Okay, the hair's gone up. It was getting attached to the tree. I'm leaving the lights for now because turns out I'm not very good at it. So I'm going to wait for my mum to help me later on today. So I'm going to pop all of the Christmassy bedding onto my bed, which is exciting. I literally only got my bed 2 days ago, so I've had this bedding on. But now it's going to be all Christmassy.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep.
Okay, I'm very pleased with that. I wasn't sure about keeping the blanket on the red side, but it's actually quite a pinky red rather than like a bright red. So I'll just see how it goes with my baubles, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Loving this bedding. I can't start on this rest of my Christmas tree until my mum is done, and I might not be able to do that till this afternoon. But very happy with how it's all done. Okay, ignore the quality. I've just turned the lights off so that I can show you this properly. But I'm just going to prop you up. Okay, so let's ignore the mess. But I'm going to pop the lights on. I love it. I'm really happy with it. So I've got quite a lot of excess lights. I don't know if you can really see in the reflection of the mirror. So I'm going to drape it around my mirror probably, but I'm going to do that in a minute. I'm going to, actually I should probably do it now. But I'm going to turn my actual light on properly, just so I can see while I do this, but so happy with that. So yeah, I'm going to drape the lights and then we can do all of the decorations. So I've popped the holiday on. This is the best I could do with the lights. Sorry, I think I might have just messed that up. This is the best that I could do. So I just popped them up the mirror, behind the desk, and then along here. I doubled them up. So it's time to pop all of the baubles on.
Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 Noel.
Okay, so I have finished my tree. I had to stop it for a little bit just because my mum came in about Christmas presents. I think I could maybe fill a few gaps, but honestly I just can't be bothered and I think it looks good enough for now. I definitely overbought the baubles. I didn't touch the cheap white ones that I got from Amazon, but I think I'm going to see if my mum and dad want to put that on the little tree downstairs. I also didn't want, in the end I decided that these guys were too big to go on the tree, but I'm going to pop them on display rather than as a bauble. But I used all of these ones, which were from John Lewis. I loved these, I'm not going to lie, they were really gorgeous. I used quite a lot of these. I've only got a few of them left, as you can see. And I think I used nearly all of my big baubles. I think there was just one. Yeah, as you can see, I didn't use these ones. But, and then I just didn't use this one. But I used 2 others of them. But I will show you the tree. Sorry about the mess. I'm just going to turn the lights off. Okay, so it is a brand new day and I thought I would do a little Christmassy room tour for you. It is completely finished now, which I'm really pleased with. I think it looks so cozy, so cute. My Christmas tree is a bit lopsided, but I don't care. Okay, let's get on with it.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth it gave.
Okay, so when you first come in, this is, sorry, I've got a few messy bits. This is the kind of panoramic view. I am going to be getting my fairy lights put up on my wall, and I'm also getting my curtains put back up. First things first is we've got my desk. It's not super tidy right now, but this is it here. These are kind of the most Christmassy things. I've just got these 2 candles. So this one is the Yankee Candle Cozy by the Fire, which I got in a gift set a couple years ago. And this one is I want to say an air wick. It's a Glade candle and it's in the Christmas tree smell. So I really love to burn this when I've got my Christmas tree up because it just smells like a real Christmas tree. And then the rest of like the Christmassy stuff, I've just got these fairy lights put all around here. I love seeing the tree in the mirror. I just think it looks so cozy. We've got my mirror. Here's me. I thought I'd show you my Christmas PJs. These are them. These are the Chelsea Piers tall pyjamas from ASOS. They're a little bit short, even from the tall section, so they're not actually that tall. Got my set of drawers, and up here I have my Village Candle Raspberry Rose Tea, which is probably one of my favourite smells. I just think it smells amazing. I do also have this Purity Lab one, but I'm not going to light that now because it's more of like a musky smell. And I'm just feeling like this kind of smell at the moment. I then have my snow globe, which I love. I think it's gorgeous. And I've got this little squirrel, which, because it's been in my red Christmas stocking, it's got red fluff all over it. But this I got from my nan a couple years ago. And then the other Christmassy stuff are my advent calendars. So I've got the Move Free white chocolate advent calendar, which I'm really looking forward to try. And then I've got the 25 Days to Slay Profusion Cosmetics calendar. Profusion is a brand I've never tried before. They're just like a really cheap drugstore brand, but they are cruelty free, so I thought it'd be a good way of trying out a new brand. Moving on to my bed area, we have got these 2 little guys up on my bed frame. I just like them as cute little decorations, so I thought I'd put them together and just add like a little Christmassy touch. My bedside table's pretty empty, but I like to leave space to put at least 2 mugs of tea and my phone, so I've just kind of decorated this area. The candle that I've got, which isn't lit, is this Clinton's pink champagne candle, and then I've just got these 2 little angels which I got from Amazon. So onto my actual bed. This is how I've got it set up. It's not perfectly neat because the cat is on here, but my actual bedding, so the pillowcases at the back, the grey ones, they're from Dunelm. This bedding it's a slightly softer material, which is like a perfect kind of wintry material. It's not too fleecy, if you get me, but it just feels a little bit softer than normal. This is from Asda George Home, and it is double-sided, so it's got this kind of grey on one side with these like, I don't know, like orangey rose gold colours. But yeah, really like this bedding. It's kind of more of like a toned down Christmas. I've then got these 2 cream cushions which are from Next, which just have these really cute pom-poms on. I thought they were very like snowballs and a bit more classy Christmas. And then this silver cushion here was from Wilko's about 2 Christmases ago. Really like that. And then this blanket here is by a brand called xoxo, which I got off of Amazon. I got the 150 by 200, which fits my bed pretty well, and I've just got it folded over so that you can see the white fluffy bit as well as the red, and it just tones it down a bit more. Here's Sammy. I wasn't sure about having red in here, but I think it goes quite well with the Christmas tree because it's not too overwhelming. So then we have my little basket of blankets, which has quite a few in there. There is a Christmas blanket in there as well, which I'll probably get out and bring away with me or something. I haven't fully decided yet, but I just love this little basket with my blankets in. That will be out all year round. Then I have my Christmas tree, which was from Amazon. As I said, it's a slim tree. I'm really, really happy with it. My baubles were from either John Lewis or Amazon. But yeah, really super happy with my tree. I think it looks so cozy with the lights off as well, and seeing it like blurry in the mirror just is so pretty, and I'm just so in the Christmas mood now, and just look at that as well. Okay, so that was my room tour. I now want to film every video with this in the background because it's just adorable. Yeah, so pleased with everything. I think it's come together really well, and so today I'm actually decorating the rest of the house, which is super exciting, and that will be in another video for you guys to see, so don't you worry about that. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this little vlog for Vlogmas, and I will see you all soon, or tomorrow, with another video. Bye!
I can't breathe without your